11 affordable destinations in North Carolina for budget travelers. Hey travelers, think exploring North Carolina is out of your budget? Think again. From stunning parks to historic towns, you can experience the state's magic without spending a fortune. Stick around to uncover 11 must-visit destinations where fun meets affordability. Head to Asheboro, where adventure awaits at the North Carolina Zoo. Perfect for families, this wildlife haven lets you explore exotic animals without breaking the bank. Budget tip: pack your lunch to enjoy the picnic areas and save even more. Welcome to Mayberry. Mount Airy is Andy Griffith's hometown and offers a perfect blend of charm and history. Tour the Andy Griffith Museum for a nostalgic trip down memory lane at an affordable price. Walk along the quaint streets and soak up the small-town vibe for free. For nature seekers, Henderson's Kerr Lake is the ultimate spot. Go fishing, boating, or set up camp at budget-friendly facilities. With its serene waters and abundant wildlife, this destination promises tranquility, not expenses. Budget travelers don't miss this. Laurinburg is a nature lover's dream. Explore its picturesque parks and walking trails, ideal for low-cost outdoor adventures. Whether it's birdwatching or simply enjoying the fresh air, Laurinburg offers a peaceful escape without stretching your wallet. Looking for quiet and calm? Reidsville offers scenic lakes perfect for fishing, picnicking, or kayaking. Unwind in this budget-friendly getaway with affordable lodgings nearby. Your stay here won't just save you money, it'll rejuvenate your soul. Step back in time in Tarboro, a colonial town gem filled with historical landmarks. Take free guided tours or explore museums showcasing the area's rich past. This town is proof that history doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Thomasville's iconic Big Chair isn't the only highlight here. This quaint town is perfect for a budget-friendly day trip. Combine sightseeing, heritage exploration, and affordable dining to make the most of every dollar spent. Did you know you can savor North Carolina wine without spending a ton? Head to Elkin for inexpensive tastings at quaint vineyards. Pair your wine with sweeping countryside views. It's a luxury experience at budget costs. Looking for mountain adventure without the price tag? Boone delivers. Hike the scenic Blue Ridge trails or visit Grandfather Mountain, where entry fees are surprisingly low. Affordable hostels and motels make it easy to stay on budget while enjoying mountain vibes. Beach vibes without sky-high costs? Wilmington's your answer. Stroll the picturesque Riverwalk for free or relax on Reidsville Beach. Packed with affordable seafood spots and unique attractions, this coastal gem lets you enjoy the sun and surf without breaking the bank. Think Charlotte is too pricey? Think again. Explore free attractions like museums and parks and indulge in budget eats at funky local joints. Plus, public transport makes getting around super affordable, so you can experience urban excitement without draining your travel fund. North Carolina's beauty isn't reserved for high spenders. It's a playground for budget travelers. Explore these 11 unique destinations without emptying your wallet. Now it's your turn. Plan your NC adventure, save money, and create unforgettable memories. Let us know which spot you'll visit first.